Let's support rescue Nigeria. Atiku, now you where we want to. With Atiku, Nigeria will rise again. I believe.
Clap your hands. 3% of PDP. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not going to waste time because time is not our friend. This is the only party in Nigeria today that parade 5 former Senate presidents. APC cannot parade 5 former Senate presidents. Labour Party cannot parade councillors. We have Senator Wabara, former Senate president. We have Senator Ayim, former Senate president. We have Senator David Mark, former Senate. We have Senator Bukola Saraki, former Senate. And we also have Senator Iyota Ayu, former Senate. This is also the only party that can parade 4 national chairmen. 4 national chairmen. No other party in Nigeria can do that. Without wasting much of our time, I will give the microphone to the chairman to present the flag while we now usher in the candidate to speak. Can we jam our hands together to the performing chairman of our party?
On behalf of the People's Democratic Party nationwide and worldwide, it is my pleasure and honor to present this symbol of victory, a flag which our president will carry to the villa and proudly display it in the villa next year. I call on President Atiku Abubakar to step forward. Mr. President, the whole PDP, the whole people of Nigeria are backing you. And we are giving this to you as a weapon to fight to victory. Proudly, I present the PDP flag to you on behalf of all the PDP.
PDP! I want to ask the entire South, the entire South Nigeria, who are you going to vote for? Atiku. Who are you going to vote for? Atiku. If you know you are going to vote for Atiku, they say, out of the abundance of the mouth, of the heart, the mouth speaketh. We have decided to vote Atiku. We have decided to vote Atiku. We have decided to vote Atiku. Ladies and gentlemen, PDP. Now I want to introduce to you the man that will give the green passport value again. I want to introduce to you the man that is coming to the affairs of this country. That when you want to travel from Uyo to Akwa Ibom, you don't need to go through night vigil or say Kulu Allah 1,000 times because of banditry and kidnappers. We want to introduce to you the most exposed, matured, experienced candidate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, the boy was born in Jeddah. He grew up to become an economic caterpillar. He became an administrator, and today he's a rescuer. He will, by the grace of God, change the APC out of the villa. When I say APC, all of you will shout, "Osa." What in the cause us? What in the cause us? APC